Hello and welcome to Route 99. This is DPM 59, an OMAT sheet. It consisted of vocabulary and grammar based question. So here we're given the first four question we have here is we have a pair of capitalized words followed by four other pairs, of which one pair shares the same relationship as shared by this capitalist pair. Okay, the first pair we have is philatelist and stamp. So analogy is such that a philatelist is a collector of stamp. So the first person collects the second, the first word is the collector of the second. Let's read the option. Numismatist, coins. So yes, a numismatist collect coins. This is my correct option. A taxonomist creates classification. He does not collect classification. A lexicographer comes from the term lexicon, which means vocabulary, words, right? So a lexicographer is a person who compiles dictionary, but he does not collect dictionaries. Mycologist, bacteria. Mycologist is a person who studies bacteria. This is also wrong, and this is my correct option. Palimpsests and manuscript. So palimpsest is a kind of manuscript which is completely revamped. It has been rewritten over an old manuscript. So we need to find a relationship where something of this sort has taken place. Pentimento, painting. So yes, this is the kind of painting where the original painting has been replaced or has been written over by a new painting. So this seems like my answer. Soliloquy, dialogue. So it's a form of dialogue. Euphemism and bluntness are opposite. Euphemism is a way of saying something bad in a positive manner. Bluntness is just as opposite being blunt. Sonnet is a form of poetry. This is also not my answer, and this is my correct option. Pellucid and clarity. Pellucid is unclarity. Sorry. Yeah. No, pellucid is clarity. And this is also clarity. That means they are synonymous to each other. So we need to find a synonymous pair. Tenebris and darkness. So if you see, we have found our answer. This is the word which means exactly the same. Darkness. Right. Let's just look at the other options. Voluble is someone who speaks a lot, who speaks a volume. Reticence on the other side is a very reserved person who doesn't speak much. This is opposite. Vapid is something which lacks intensity, lacks energy. Intensity is just its opposite. This is also an antonymous pair. Phlegmatic and emotion. So phlegmatic is characterized by someone or something which lacks emotion. So this is also opposite. So hence only A is the option which shares a synonymous relationship. All the others don't. Right? So this is my correct option. Okay, let's move on to the fourth question. Terpsichorean, dance, which is an adjective for a dancer. Thespian and agriculture. So thespian is something related to drama. It's an adjective you would use for a dramatist, an actor, not agriculture. Soporific and sleep. Soporific is something sleep inducing, which is similar to this and this relationship. Pyretic and farming. So pyretic is a form of fever, something which causes fever, not related to farming. Sylvan and industry are also unrelated. Only this matches the relationship shared by this capitalized pair, and this is my correct option. Okay, so here we have a grammar question. We need to find a sentence which uses all the pronouns properly. Whomever the committee selects between she and I. Okay, this whomever is correctly used between here. Used here because why? Because the subject here is the committee. So committee, whomever the committee selects is going to be my object. So this whomever is used correctly here. Between she and I or between her and me. Right? Wasn't this supposed to be the objective pronoun for this between? Right? Whoever requested. Yes, this is correct. This is wrong. So we need to find a sentence where there is whomever, there is her and me, and then there is whoever at last. Right. So this is eliminated, this is eliminated, we are only left with this. So whomever the committee selects between she and, okay, she and I must present their finding to whomever requests them. Okay, this is also wrong, this should be whoever. Okay, so there is some error in the option, it should be whomever. This is my correct option. So that was the video guys, I'll see you in the next one.